Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Um, Chef Will is here to give you another zucchini recipe. Guys, as I can say, remember the first time I made that zucchini loaf, um, zucchini bread, cheese bread. It was from my neighbor. These grow right on my fence there. She has so much zucchini and they're beautiful size zucchini, as you can see. So I'm getting zucchini every week, so I'm using them up. So I'm gonna make some zucchini parm. So zucchini parmesan, I'm gonna show you my way how I make it. So this already washed, and as you can see, I cut the top, the bottom off. I'm gonna slice these nicely. They're so huge. Get some beautiful slices out of it. Look at that. Just wonderful. So these are nice size. And I got some egg wash right here and some 10% cream. So we're gonna get that inside there, and a little bit of flour, some seasoned breadcrumb here, which was just seasoned with some dry oregano, some parsley, and some garlic powder. All right. So we're just gonna get our stuff breaded and get them right in there, and I'll show you the full process of how to get your zucchini parmesan going. All right. Okay, so I got some parmesan cheese here. I'm gonna be adding right to this breadcrumb. That's gonna help to give it that nice crust on the outside. Give that a nice toss. All right, so these I'm just gonna put them right inside the flour here. Just dust them in the flour a little bit. And then they're gonna go right in here in the egg wash into the breadcrumb. You just want to toss a little bit of breadcrumb over it. You don't want too much. Just want to get that nice crust on the outside. And then I'm gonna place it right on my pan, right here. So I'm just gonna continue the same way. Your flour into the egg wash, and then again into the breadcrumb. Pretty simple. Alright, and we're just gonna bake these off in the oven. I got my oven going right now, convection, 380. It's warming up right now. Alright, so right here we're done breading. This is what they look like, and a baking sheet right here. They're gonna go in the oven. But before, again, I got some beautiful olive oil here from Spain. I think I've shown you guys this in a video. So now I'm gonna be drizzling a little bit of this lovely olive oil I got right here. It's so flavorful. A friend of ours brought this right from Spain. And again, we have to shout out to Irene in this video for this lovely olive oil here. It's gonna give a nice crisp on the outside. I'm just gonna drizzle it nicely with this olive oil right here. Looking lovely. And then we're gonna toss these right in the oven. All right. Beautiful. Get that olive oil. You also can spray it if you like, the pan spray. Not a big fan of the pan spray. I rather to drizzle it with some oil to get that nice crispiness. Keep the natural flavor right inside. So this is one of the best way to get it done. All right, so I'm gonna pop these in the oven at 380. I'm gonna set it for 25 minutes. See how crispy I can get this. And I'll show you guys the sauce right now I'm making. So put that in the oven. I'm gonna set my timer for 25 minutes and start. And right here, I got some nice tomato sauce right here. Just a fresh basil tomato sauce. I just had some fresh garlic. I chopped right inside my chopper right here. And I had that to this tomato sauce. I'm gonna add some of this beautiful olive oil right inside as well. And here I got some lovely parsley from the garden. That's gonna go right inside. So give this a nice crush. Alright, and then do a nice rough chop. Beautiful. That's gonna go right inside. Alright, right inside there. And I'm also gonna add some black pepper to that. And a little bit of peppercino. And we're just gonna toss it around like this. This beautiful sauce gonna go on top. And you also can heat this, it's already cooked, so just give it a nice stir. And we're gonna give it a taste, just to see if we need to add anything else to this. Beautiful. Now that is lovely right there. So we're just gonna wait until these come out. We're gonna top it and cheese it, and you'll see the goodness in it. Stay with me. Okay, so the oven just went off. These are done. I'm gonna pop them out. Wow, look at these. So nice and crispy. Beautiful. Wow. Nice and tender. Wow, this beautiful sauce that we got right here. Gonna give this a nice stir. And I also had 2 teaspoons of sugar to the tomato sauce just to cut down that acidity a little bit. So we're just gonna top these with a little bit of sauce right here. Beautiful. Oh, that looking lovely. This is smelling so good right now. But you gotta make it to taste it. So you guys please make this and let me know how you like it. So lovely. I'm actually gonna leave one without sauce. I just want to try it without the sauce. I'm just gonna take that one right off. Leave it right on my board right there. And I'm gonna get some cheese. So this cheese I grate here, it's some mozzarella and white cheddar. And also a little bit of marble inside of this as well. We're just gonna top it with this and pop it back in the oven just for it to melt. So right here, I'm gonna add some of this sauce on my plate right here. Just gonna give it a nice, right there. Add a little bit more. I'm just gonna take it and spread it right out. Lovely. All right. Oh, that's looking beautiful. I'm gonna get a nice sprig of parsley. I'm gonna get my thing out first. That's the oven. Timer is off. And I only put it in for like 5 minutes just to get the cheese melts. So the cheese is nice and melted right now. So just gonna take a piece off to get it on this plate, just to try it out, see what it's like. Alright, gonna get a nice piece right here. I'm just gonna place that right in our sauce right there. Look how beautiful that is. Lovely. Sprinkle with some fresh parsley now. Better could you get that? You can take a nice sprig and put right on your plate if you like that. Now that's a beauty right there. Lovely. All right, so we're just gonna try this out. Just drizzle a little bit more of this olive oil over it. Okay, so it's just time to dig in to this beautiful, beautiful meat right here. I'm just gonna bring it close so you guys can see it. What it looks like. So lovely. Can't wait. It smells so good, guys. I'm gonna cut a piece right now. It's crispy on the outside and it's so juicy on the inside. It looks like a piece of meat. Oh my god. Wow, this is good. The breadcrumb, so crispy. Wow. The sauce has that nice sweet basil taste to it. Nice. The breadcrumb is nice and nutty flavor. And the olive oil, oh, stands out. So good. Wow, this is excellent. So good. Can't help, gotta have another bite. Wow, this is a 5-star meal right here. So good. So guys, please try this recipe out. Let me know how you like it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel if you're new. And don't forget to check out my new channel. It's called Chef Will Explore. I'll drop that in the description as well. I got a lot of videos on there. So again, like, share, subscribe, and again, shout out to Irene from Spain. Your olive oil is amazing, beautiful. To all my new subscribers, thank you, and I'll catch you in a new one.